Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Appletized 5 here. We're going to talk about this little mount that I got on my motorcycle. It's for the iPhone 4. It's my motorcycle. It's 2008 ZZR 600. Yeah, I got this little mount. Worked out pretty awesome for me off of eBay. I think it was about $7. It's got swivel. It's got a swivel on it. It's even got let me see if I can loosen it up for you. It's even got a little spot for the camera, so you don't block the camera out. I don't know if you can see that real good. It's got swivel, camera mount. Camera spot for the camera right there, so you can video. I tried it, but since I got it up here, all you get's a lot of wind sound. You can just adjust it right there, lock it in. It's pretty sturdy. Like I said, I got this off eBay, $7 I think it was. I wasn't too sure about my phone as I was riding, because I wasn't too sure it was gonna hold up in there, but yeah, it's been on there and it worked out pretty good for me. That little clip right there grabs the phone pretty good, man. I gotta say that. Grabs the phone pretty good. Well, that's all I wanted to show you guys. My iPhone 4 mount on my motorcycle. Once again, Appletized 5. Thanks for watching.